What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. It is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the latest crypto market news, the latest market analytics, and of course the latest price action. Price action on Terra Classic right now, indecisive. We are still below the 50-day exponential move or simple moving average. Sorry, we're above the 50-day exponential moving average, above the 10-day, above the 5-day. But we've got our work cut out for us because we're running into this resistance level, and it is tough to break, especially at a time when fear is dominating the market right now. It's going to be so crazy when greed and extreme greed returns. I'm telling you right now, it is going to be as hard as the fear has been. It will be so much more beautiful when it turns to greed. It will happen. It always happens. Cycles repeat themselves. But we haven't seen extreme greed since 2024. So it feels like forever. But of course, when it comes back, it is going to be perfect. Overall market condition today, down, right? And you typically see this ahead of the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, especially when people are indecisive and don't really know what to expect. And how would we know what to expect? Because, of course, this is Kevin Warsh's first time leading as Fed chair. I'm not going to go into any of these articles here today, but you can see the headlines. Inflation and Kevin Warsh take center stage at the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. Fed meeting live updates. Here, everything to expect from Kevin Warsh's first rate decision. Fed meeting live. Kevin Warsh faces challenging inflation backdrop at his first Fed meeting. Live updates and commentary. 3 things to know about the new Fed chair's first meeting. Citadel flags major rate hike risk amid June Federal Reserve Open Market Commission meeting. I don't think we got to worry about a rate hike happening at this meeting here. A lot of people are wondering whether or not we're going to see interest rates cut, but of course expecting the interest rates will remain the same. Now, all of that translates into fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that is one more reason why the fear and greed index is sitting at a level of 23 fear. The slight pullback in price today is causing the fear and greed index to tick lower, right? But increasing the fear. So it depends on how you look at it there. Altcoin season still sitting around neutral level 47. Crypto RSI neutral 52.7. But the overall indicator that we're watching very closely here is the fear and greed index. I continue to accumulate as others are fearful, and I will be selling and shaving as others are greedy. Now, I'm not going to jump into too much Terra Classic specific news in the video today because the overall, the overall forces affecting the market today are the interest rate decisions. Nothing really Terra Classic specific, but of course, LUNC's next level of major resistance, once it surpasses this 72 to 7,500 point per coin level and gets back up above this 50-day moving average here, is that 1,000 or 10,000 point per coin level. 10,000 point per coin, or this 3, 0, and a 1, is extremely emotionally significant. It's that nice round number. It's that dropping a 0, and it is, of course, the level of resistance that was tested back here when Terra Classic ran up a couple of months ago. If it can break, having done so previously, we saw an 80% rally. We saw a 120% rally. We saw a 500% rally the previous times that Terra Classic has broken through these levels. So definitely keep your eyes on what LUNC is doing here. Do not be afraid. Do not fall victim to the fear. And hey, with all eyes on the Fed meeting today, let's hope that this dude comes out here and he is crypto friendly. He's excited about the market and he believes that good times are ahead. Because his sentiment and his emotion is going to be highly indicative of what people think about him in future meetings to come. Now, if you guys are interested in owning Terra Classic or any cryptocurrency for that matter, especially, check this out, dude. SpaceX is now available on KCEX. So whether you guys are looking at accumulating stocks, crypto, so on, this is not a stock. Okay, so don't think that you're going to go out there, buy this, have ownership rights, voting rights, and so on. It is a cryptocurrency that tracks the overall performance of the company. So please understand that before you do it.